friends, welcome to my channel. This is my first video on the series of healthy and tasty soup recipes. After that I will share some more soup recipes with you. In this video I have shared the basic vegetable stock to roasted tomato soup recipe, tomato and pepper soup recipe, very exotic, and the simple lentil soup which can be made little spice up with some spices, and it can be made very yummy and tasty. And the next is the onion and mushroom soup, that is also very healthy, protein rich and very tasty also. So we will start this video with the basic preparation like clear soup or vegetable stock. Vegetable stock or chicken stock is a basic important part of any soup. It's always better to make a soup with the stock instead of the water, because this vegetable or chicken stock give more nutritional value to your soup. Or if you are on the clear soup diet, so you can use directly, and you can season with salt and pepper and you can have it. This is the vegetable I use for the vegetable stock. You can use whatever vegetable. You can use zucchini, you can use other vegetables like broccoli. I use the cauliflower, pumpkin, bottle gourd, celery. Celery is most important, it gives some flavor. Garlic, cabbage leaves, one potato, one onion, some garlic cloves, and the whole spices like bay leaf, black pepper, and the cinnamon. So these all vegetables I use whatever was available with me. So you can use any other vegetables also if you want. You need to cut on roughly. You need to cut the vegetables. We need not to remove the stalks or leaf or stem. We will add everything into this. Even you can use some leftover when you are making some vegetable and you have some leftover stalks and material with you, that also you can use to make the vegetable stock. Non-vegetarian can add chicken to this also, so it's a veg chicken stock they can make. Or here I have taken the 2 to 3 liter. I have taken 2.5 liter, actually 2.5 liter of water. In that I added all the vegetable, and on the slow flame, we will cook it for the 30 to 40 minutes to get all the flavor infused and all the nutrition value should infuse in our water. After 30 to 40 minutes of cooking, then all the vegetable will be cooked. I added some salt also while doing, but don't add extra salt, just a little bit, and later on you can season your soup according to your taste when you are making separately. For flavor I added some fresh thyme leaves. After 30 to 40 minutes of cooking, we will just transfer through the strainer. We will pass through the strainer, then you will get the clear stock. This is our clear veg stock, which we will use for all the soup which we are going to make with this. The second, the main soup I am sharing is roasted pepper and tomato soup. I just roasted pepper and 2 tomatoes and 1 pepper on flame directly. Then just remove the skin as much you can do. If little bit is there also, then no problem, because this will give some smoky flavor to your soup. So I just removed this skin, then roughly chopped, I de-seeded it, the pepper, and I just made a puree with this, with some garlic clove. Also I added, when I made puree, I just added 1 or 2 garlic clove also. This puree is ready. We will pass through the strainer to get that if some seeds or any leftover pieces are there, because we are making a pureed soup, fully pureed soup, no vegetable pieces in this soup. After passing through the strainer, we will add the vegetable stock to this. I made two big bowl of soup with this, so I just added 2 cup of vegetable stock. Some fresh thyme or basil leaf you can add for the flavor. If you this is purely optional, and you can remove after some time when the soup is boiled. Then you can remove these leaves later on. Season your soup with the salt and pepper according to your taste. and just let it boil for a while. Because we added the pureed tomato and capsicum, that will give it the body to the soup and it will be little thicker. It's not a very thick soup because we are not adding any thickening agent to the soup. We want to keep our soup as healthy as we can do. And this is our healthy and tasty roasted pepper and tomato soup is ready. You can serve it with some bread croutons also. Next is spiced lentil soup, very creamy and very nice texture. We use 1 cup pink lentil or masoor dal for this, washed properly. I just washed 2-3 times with the water. This is a vegetable stock which we already made before. For creaminess, I will use little of coconut milk for this to keep it vegan. 1 onion I have taken, 1 inch of ginger, 1 tomato, 2 or 3 garlic cloves and some whole spices. This is the black cardamom, green cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, black pepper and 1 red chili. With this some turmeric powder and salt. To make this soup, first in a pressure cooker or in a mixture we will take the vegetable stock and then we will add everything except coconut milk. Coconut milk we will not add. Other than coconut milk we will add everything to this pressure cooker or your pan and let it cook. If you are making into pan, you need to cook till the lentil is cooked properly and it's easily mashed. It can be easily mashed. And in pressure cooker, just do 2 whistles. It will be enough for this 2 to 3 whistles, and your this texture you will get after that. Then we will remove the whole spices in this and blend. We will blend into the blender to make a puree. Again, we will pass through a strainer to remove any whole spices or any tomato peels are there. We will reheat the soup. Then add some coconut milk. This is optional. If you don't want, you can skip it, but it tastes good with this coconut milk. I tried. Season with salt and pepper, and in the last we will add some lemon juice also in this soup. I am sharing this pureed soup especially for the people who can't take after surgery some vegetable pieces in their soup, but soup. For this I use the button mushroom, 1 packet. Normally in the market with what mushroom soup is available, that is made up of dried mushroom or some wild mushroom, mix of different type of mushroom, which is not easily available everywhere. So I tried this recipe with the button mushroom in my own way, and this recipe came out nice, so I am sharing here. So I use black pepper, vegetable stock, onion, garlic, some salt and mushroom for this soup. In the last, if you want, you can add some cream or coconut cream. If you are vegan, you can add coconut cream or coconut milk. If you are a vegetarian, you can add the simple fresh cream or some milk to give some creaminess to mushroom. For mushroom soup, first we will chop onion and mushrooms. I have chopped finely because half of the mixture I will blend and half I will keep as a pieces in my soup. If you are in the puree diet stage, you just blend whole the mixture. In a saucepan, you just take half tablespoon of olive oil or butter. You can see I use a very little butter because I want to keep it healthy and low calorie. In that butter, I added the garlic. I use the garlic and herb butter which was left over for me. You can use the normal butter or an oil. In that, I just added chopped garlic. Just saute for a minute, and after a minute, we will add onion to this mixture. For mushroom soup, we need to caramelize the onion. That is very important to get the proper taste in this soup. So to caramelize the onion, we can add some salt and sugar when we are cooking the onion. I added some sugar. This helps to caramelize fast. When you see then the onion are brown, almost brown, then we will add the mushroom also, because we need to cook the mushroom also very well. It will lose all water and the quantity will be reduced. So till that the quantity will reduce and the mushroom is all shrink, water all evaporated. Till that time we will cook this mixture. Now you can see it's less than the half the quantity is remain. All the mushroom all cooked well. Then we will just cool this mixture and then we will blend this mixture. So here I will keep less than half the mixture I will keep to just add into my soup. But people who are on the purity state after any surgery or anything, that time they should blend whole mixture. In the pan I will now you need to add the vegetable stock. The mixture was already there in same pan I am making. Then we will add the pureed mixture to this. The color is this soup, you can see the color is little brown because of the caramelized onion. It is not the white mushroom soup. If you want some little light color, so you can add some cream to this soup. After mixing everything, we will just bring it to boil. We'll season it with the salt and pepper and our soup will be ready. I just added 1 tablespoon of cream at the end to just give some proper texture. But that is completely optional. You can skip this. If you want your soup to be more thicker side, then reduce the vegetable stock and pureed vegetable will give the more body to the soup and that will be more thicker. I will share more thicker and with some vegetable different soup recipes in my next soup video. Hope you will like that also. For that you need to subscribe my channel and just hit the bell button so that you get the notification when I post my new video. Thank you so much for watching.